Welcome to my how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock setting on your Beko dryer or a Blomberg dryer. So we'll take a look across the top here, going on and off, and then two buttons here. There's a little lock anyway, so I'm just going to run through it. To activate it, if we start the cycle, we can't select low heat. We can turn it off and on again, and we can cancel it. So, and we can pause it. So we press low heat, then we can resume. Right, so to select child lock, press and hold at low temperature and the start pause together for 3 seconds. And then the current light where it's up to will flash. So now we can't start or pause and we can't press low heat. However, we can turn it off, and when we turn it back on again, it won't automatically resume, and the child lock turns off. Anyway. So to deactivate child lock, you press and hold that for 3 seconds, but we haven't got child lock on at the minute. In fact, we've accidentally just paused it. Right, so now it's flashing. And to deactivate it, press and hold the 2 buttons again for 3 seconds. And there we go, stop flashing, and now we can pause it. That's it, that's a how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock. Of course, you can deactivate it by simply just turning it on and off again, which is a bit stupid. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful to use on your own Beko dryer at home. Thank you for watching.